The Dräger Oxy K30HS is an oxygen self-rescuer that supplies oxygen and thereby protects you when escaping to a safe area. The device is equipped with a fire protection hood. In the following, we will explain the donning procedure for the Dräger Oxy K30HS. Before use, perform a visual inspection. Check the seal. The seal should not have any signs of damage or stress. Check the opener to ensure that it is locked and undamaged. The lid should be closed completely. Check for any cracks, holes or dents in the housing. Finally, carry out an indicator check. If the indicator shows a deep blue color, the device is ready for use. If the color deviates, for example light blue or colorless, the oxygen self-rescuer may no longer be used. Put the shoulder strap around your neck and pull both straps to the end. Grasp the yellow opener and move it away from the body of the self-rescuer until the lid lifts off. Remove the lid in a straight direction. Widen the strap of the hood. Perform the following steps within approximately 20 seconds. Pull the hood over your right shoulder using the right hand so that the starter will be activated. The breathing bag will be filled within 1 to 2 minutes. If the starter does not activate, please breathe out deeply 4 to 5 times into the half mask to fill the breathing bag and start the chemical reaction for the oxygen supply. Expand the opening of the hood. Put your chin in first, then put the hood over your head. Take the mask body and place the inner mask over nose and mouth. Pull the head straps to the back. If this is not possible, hold the half mask to the mouth with your hand. To securely fasten the oxygen self-rescuer, wrap the chest strap around your body and fasten it. You can now escape from the dangerous area.